You know that weird little punching bag hanging in the back of your throat? What does it even do? Well, its job is way more important than you think. It's called the uvula, and it's basically the bouncer for your nose. When you eat or drink, it swings back and seals off the passage to your nasal cavity. Ever laughed while drinking soda and had it shoot out your nose? Yeah, you can thank this little guy for making sure that doesn't happen every single time. It also fine-tunes your voice so you can speak clearly. But here's where it gets crazy. Sometimes, this hero can turn into a villain. If your uvula is too long, it can droop down and block your airway. This is what causes that loud, rattling snore at night. And in serious cases, it can literally stop you from breathing in your sleep. That's called sleep apnea, and it's incredibly dangerous. But don't worry, the fix is surprisingly simple. A doctor can just trim the extra bit off.